natural health for beginners.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a powerful turmeric tincture at home with exact quantities. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and creating a tincture is an easy and effective way to harness its benefits. What is a tincture? Briefly explain what a tincture is. A concentrated herbal extract made by soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar to extract their active compounds. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is widely celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains curcumin, which is believed to have numerous health benefits, including supporting joint health and boosting immunity. Digestive health. It also aids digestion, helps detoxify the liver, and can even enhance your skin health. To make this turmeric tincture, you'll need the following ingredients: turmeric root, or powder, fresh turmeric root or ground turmeric powder. Fresh is preferred for a more potent tincture, but powder will work as well. Alcohol, vodka or Everclear, 80 to 100 proof is best for tinctures. Glass jar, a clean jar for steeping the tincture. Cheesecloth or fine strainer, to strain the tincture once it's ready. Fresh turmeric root, you'll need 100 grams of fresh turmeric root. If you're using turmeric powder, you'll need 50 grams instead. Alcohol, for every 100 grams of fresh turmeric root, you'll need about 250 milliliters of alcohol. This ratio ensures the tincture is potent. Prepare the turmeric. If you're using fresh turmeric root, wash it thoroughly and slice it into small pieces. The more surface area you have, the better it will infuse. If you're using powder, you can skip this step. Combine turmeric and alcohol. Place the sliced turmeric into your glass jar, and pour in your alcohol, making sure the turmeric is fully submerged. Seal and shake. Seal the jar tightly and give it a good shake. Store it in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks. Shake the jar every couple of days to help the infusion process. Straining the tincture. After 2 to 3 weeks, strain the tincture using cheesecloth or a fine strainer into a clean glass bottle. Make sure to press the turmeric to extract as much liquid as possible. Final product. You should now have a vibrant golden tincture ready for use. How to use the tincture. Dosage. You can take 1 to 2 dropperfuls of the tincture diluted in water, juice, or tea, up to 3 times a day. Start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Topical use. It can also be applied topically to reduce inflammation or soothe skin conditions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Turmeric tincture is a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. Remember, you can make it with fresh turmeric or powder, and adjust the quantities depending on what you have available. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY health and wellness tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you've tried making a turmeric tincture before or if you have any other natural remedies you'd like to see on the channel.